So there's something very interesting about this laptop, but we're gonna take the first 1 minute of the video to explain about the basic of the laptop. Let's start now. The ASUS Expertbook P1 is powered by the Intel i5-13420H and is paired with 16GB of DDR5 RAM. You can run most of your office tasks on it and it wouldn't break a sweat. And yes, it is also sufficient to run your AI tasks. Don't ask me why I say that. It feels like, sounds like, and smells like plastic. So it is built like plastic. Therefore, it is very light, only at 1.4 kg. It's easy to bring in and out. It could fit in most backpack or maybe even some handbag. But the display have a green cast over and needs some fine tune to make it look better. Overall, this is a below average display, but it can be turned 180 degrees, which is nice if you're sharing. And the hinge is rated for 50,000 open close cycle. That is a lot, I'll tell you. The panel can also withstand strong pressure. It's so much that it can withstand a whole person standing on it. So don't worry about durability, even if it's built with plastic. It comes with a standard keyboard with a general travel space. A space of 1.35mm, it almost feels like you're typing on a standard keyboard. Almost. Battery is rated at 50 Wh, and based on our test, it's good for 6 hours and 12 minutes of battery life. There's 2 USB-C ports, both USB 3.2 Gen 2, 2 USB-A ports, both USB 3.2 Gen 1, 1 full-size HDMI 1.4b, 1 audio combo jack, 1 Ethernet port, and you Despunky are gonna love this, the Nano Kensington lock. So that's about all the basic of this laptop. And here's the good stuff. The ease of repairability on this laptop, it's way beyond expectation. Here's why. First off, it only takes 4 screws for you to get into the laptop, and all these 4 screws is of the same length. I have to tell you, I don't know how many times I opened up a laptop and I got the screw mixed up. Not only that is a lot of them, and a lot of them are in different size, length and whatnot. And if you got them mixed up, you have to go through them as a mixed game and sometimes risk damaging the laptop with the wrong screw. Second, all of the hardware that allow you to upgrade or exchange are facing directly towards you. It is readily available. Storage here, Wi-Fi chip here, RAM here. Got the RAM slot. It is facing towards you. There's nothing in between you and him. If you want to upgrade your Wi-Fi chip, I don't know why you would do it, it is here. This is a very easy way to service a laptop. Look at the fan, look at the cooling system. It is immediately available for you if you want to blow off some dust and whatnot. That doesn't require any more dismantle other than removing the chassis itself. This laptop does come with options for better battery, the ease of removing a battery, no screw is required. This is the first time I see this in a laptop. All of my previous experience with laptop, unless we're talking about the pre-2000 era laptop which comes with detachable battery, this laptop comes with a lever that let you just flip it down and remove the connector, and you can already remove the battery as it is. This is ridiculous. I have not seen this design before. I love this. There is going to come a day an IT technician sitting in the office will appreciate this. I already am. Now finally, this is the most important thing. Have you ever seen someone yank the whole USB port out? I have seen that. It's not beautiful, it's scary, and more often than not, those are irreversible damage done to the laptop. ASUS know this is a problem, and they reinforce all of the I/O ports on this laptop. Look at this. These are metal. I think these are aluminum, I'm not sure. But these are metal actually holding all the I/O port in place. Look at this full-size Ethernet port. It's ridiculously big, but it will save your life. In some of the image I saw ASUS sharing with me, they actually attach a 5 kg weight with an Ethernet port plugging into this Ethernet port, and it holds this is how over-engineered this laptop is when it comes to the I/O port security. This is great because I guarantee you someone will have that moment they need to remove something out, and without this reinforced frame, something more will come out altogether. So overall, this is the ASUS Expertbook P1. It is a workhorse laptop. It's good enough to run your office tasks, and let's say you are an IT admin, you will really appreciate how easy for you to access the internal of the laptop, how easy it is to replace everything, how easy it is to replace the battery, how secure the I/O is. Durability is a known trend for the ASUS P series, like the P1, P3, P5 is durable, and the new PM3 is ASUS' latest addition to this durable and reliable lineup. It is among the best choice of AI PC for worry-free reliability when it comes to businesses. So that's about all I want to say about the Expertbook P1. If you want to know more about this laptop, check out my written review. And until my next video, I hope you remain well.